In today's globalized world, due to increasing access of internet and technology, the world is losing on the essence of life, relationship and values. This has led to a greater need for and responsibility on schools to educate morally and train the students. इस बात को सामने रखते हुए स्कूल ऑफ एनेबलर्स ने एक वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड तालीम-ओ-तरबियत का प्रोग्राम इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया है जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स की होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर काम करता है. इट क्रिएट्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट टू एनहांस देयर एकेडमिक अचीवमेंट and help them to deal with the real world challenges with positive attitude and ease.
Assalamu alaikum. Taleem-o-Tarbiyah is the key feature of School of Enablers. School of Enablers took the initiative to create the awareness and importance of Tarbiyah in our students. School of Enablers का एक मिशन है कि हमने बच्चे को एजुकेशन के साथ साथ एक अच्छा इंसान और एक अच्छा मुसलमान भी बनाना है ताकि वो माशरे में एक कामयाब शख्स के साथ साथ एक अच्छा मुसलमान भी बन सके.
स्कूल ऑफ एनेबलर्स के तरबिया प्रोग्राम के 5 अहम अरकान हैं. स्कूल लीडरशिप, तरबिया एडवाइजर्स, इंस्ट्रक्टर्स, स्टूडेंट्स एंड वैल्यू एम्बेसडर्स, पेरेंट्स. School of Enablers believe in strong parent involvement in Tarbiyah program.
School of Enablers has designed a detailed roadmap to implement its Tarbiyah program in 2 essence. The Tarbiyah roadmap comprises of 20 major components. Projection of Islamic, historical and national heroes. Fahmul Quran, Seerah, a key to productivity. School environment, academic and non-academic. CAS, community action service. Assembly presentation. Hands-on experience. Value ambassador. Scholar session for parents, teachers and students. Surveys and quizzes. Value festivals. Value monthly meetings. Monthly goal setting session. Support staff training. Value progress report. Tarbiyah portfolio. Positive reinforcement. School value ambassador. Peer tutoring, key participants, curriculum integration.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सैयद मोहम्मद अयान है. मुझे अपनी स्कूल की तरफ से वैल्यू एम्बेसडर ऑफ काइंडनेस चूज़ किया गया है और अब से मेरी जिम्मेदारी है कि मैं अपनी स्कूल और कम्युनिटी में काइंडनेस और काइंड डीड्स स्प्रेड करूँ. थैंक यू.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Aisha Umair. I am in grade 7 from the School of Enablers and I am appointed as a value ambassador. I am the value ambassador of kindness. Being a value ambassador, it is my responsibility to make the students practice kindness throughout the month, throughout the year. And not only that, for that we will also be organizing different events and activities for them to practice. Not only that, we will also be visiting different community schools and welfare centers because our motive is not only to spread kindness in our class, school, but also in the social environment we are living in because the more the kindness, the better this earth.